Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about leader command in AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, the leader command is used to create leader lines with annotations. Leader lines are often used to point to specific objects or areas in a drawing and provide explanatory text or labels. Here is how to use the leader command. You can access the leader command in several ways, from ribbon annotate toolbar and in annotate leader command is there. By using keyboard, type leader at command line and press enter. Specify the leader's landing point. Click on the point where you want the leader arrowhead to point. If you want the leader to be attached to an object, click on that object. Okay. Now next, specify the text location. After specifying the landing point, you will be prompted to specify the location for the text. Click where you want the text to appear. Then enter the text. Text editor will open, allowing you to enter the text you want to associate with the leader line. Adjust the leader line and text format. You can adjust the length and angle of the leader line by moving its grips. You can also format the text using the text editor's positions, such as changing font size, style, etc. Next one, once you are satisfied with the leader and text placement, press enter to finish creating the leader. Repeat if needed. If you need to create additional leaders, simply repeat the process. Remember that AutoCAD offers various options for customizing leader styles, arrowheads, and content placement. You can access these options by right-clicking on a leader and selecting Edit Leader, or by using the Leader Settings command to modify leader settings globally. Additionally, the exact steps and options may vary depending upon the version of AutoCAD you are using. Always refer to the software's documentation or help resources for specific details related to your version. Okay, so we will see the leader command in our software. Here I have already drawn a geometry. We will apply leaders to this geometry. Okay. Here this is annotation toolbar, and here we can see the leader command. Here is leader. Click on leader. We can see leader is applying only on endpoints. Okay. So drag this point and click where you want the leader. Okay. And give the next point. Here give the text what you want to give to this leader. Okay, here we can see the style of leaders. You can change from here on annotative or standard. Here you can change the font size of text, style of text. From here you can add symbols. Okay, once you have give the text, then close text editor. Okay, next is add leader. If you want to add same leader to another objects, then click on this leader and select the objects. Okay, next is remove leader. enter. Okay, this leader has removed. Next is align. To aligning we have to give another leaders. Okay, now we can align them. See, leaders have aligned. Okay.